Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, where the conversations flow effortlessly and innovation happens at the speed of thought. Introducing Poe, the ultimate AI playground where the future of chat meets the limitless possibilities. Here, the world's most advanced AI models, including ChatGPT, GPT-4, Claude 3 Opus, Dolly 3, and millions more come together in perfect harmony. It allows you to use multiple AI models at once inside a single chat and in a single window without needing to copy paste the same prompt in order to test it on multiple models and providing the context every time for each different model. Alright, so this is how the Poe interface looks like. On the left navigation menu, you can see that there are a bunch of different options to set the settings, profiles, the subscribers, creators, and so on. As I've already mentioned that it allows you to use multiple LLMs at once inside a single chat, and if you are interested in which LLMs are available inside the Poe, you simply have to click on this explore button right here, and then from these options you have to go to official, and here is the list of all the available LLMs which you can use. But here's the catch. All the LLMs which have this official tag below them are absolutely free and you can use them without upgrading your subscription. But there are certain LLMs like Claude 3 Opus which has a subscriber access tag as well in addition to the official. This means that this LLM does not lie in the free trial and you need to upgrade your subscription in order to use it. Similarly, we have subscriber access for the GPT-4 as well. This means that it is not available for the free trial. But we have a bunch of other cool LLMs in the free version. We have Claude 3 Sonnet, Claude 3 Haiku. We have the Playground version 2.5, Gemini 1.5 Pro. Although Dolly 3 is not in the free trial, but for its substitute, we have the Stable Diffusion XL present in the free trial. And the most interesting part is this LLM, which is the Llama 3 70B Grok. It is the fastest LLM of them all because the Llama 3 70B model is actually powered by the Grok, which is insanely fast because it is powered by the Grok LPU inference engine. And in addition to the Grok version of the Llama 3, we have the simple version of the Llama 3 70B model, which is the best model among the Llama 3 series. We have the Llama 3 70B Instruct and so on. So you can use any of the models that you want. If you want to go with the free one, then you can use only the ones that have the official tag below them. And if you want to use the subscriber access one, then you need to upgrade your subscription. And the best part about this is that you don't need to start a new chat every time you want to use a new assistant or a new LLM. You can get response from multiple LLMs inside a single chat without providing context every time to the new LLM. So by default, the assistant is the chatbot which the Poe is using, and this assistant is actually using GPT 3.5 and Claude 3 Haiku. So now if you want to compare the response generated by multiple LLMs, you can do that inside this single platform. So if I say that write 10 sentences that end with sorry, and if I hit enter, you can see that response is being generated, but instead of all the sentences being ended with sorry, they are also actually starting with sorry. And if you scroll up a little bit, you can see that this assistant is a general purpose assistant bot with strengths in programming related tasks and non-English languages, powered by GPT 3.5 Turbo and Claude 3 Haiku. And maybe this is why the response for this prompt was not according to our requirement. But if you want to compare its response with some other LLMs as well, so if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that here you have the option to compare it with the response of the Claude 3 Haiku. You can compare it with the Gemini 1.0 Pro, compare it with the Llama 3. So you can select any of the one that you want. So I'm going to go with the Claude 3 Haiku and let's see what is the response. Okay, so the response is generated, and once again, some of the sentences are ending with sorry, but all are not. And once again, if you scroll down, you will have a bunch of LLMs to compare the response to. But if you want to compare the response with some other LLM which is not in the list, you simply have to click on the text box right here. You have to enter the @ and then you will get all the options which are available in the free tier. So if I want to get the answer using the Llama 370B Grok model, I'm gonna simply select it, and then after selecting the model, I'm gonna say rewrite the sentences. Okay, so once this is done, hit enter. Alright, so here's the response, and you can see that there are 10 sentences that end with sorry. So we didn't provide it the context. It found the context on its own and provided us 10 sentences that end with sorry, and all of the 10 sentences are absolutely correct. Similarly, if you want to test out the coding capabilities of multiple LLMs right inside a single chat, you can also do that too using Poe. So if I ask the default assistant to create Python code for the tic-tac-toe game and wait for it for the response, you can see that it will start generating the response and will provide us the code for the tic-tac-toe game. Alright, so here is the response provided by the assistant, and if you want to see the response of some other model, you can do that too. So if you want to get the response using the Llama 370B model, you simply have to enter @ symbol and then select the model which you want to use. So I'm going to select the Llama 370B model and I'm going to say rewrite the code. Hit enter and you will see that now it has provided us a rewritten version of the code with some improvements and additional features. So here is the code provided by the Llama 370B model. Here is the code provided by the default assistant, which is actually powered by the GPT 3.5 Turbo and the Claude 3 Haiku. And if you want to get this code by some other LLM, let's say Gemini 1.5, for that you simply have to enter @sign, start writing Gemini and then select the required model. I'm gonna go with the Gemini 1.5 Pro. And here I'll ask it to rewrite the code. Hit enter and you will see that it will start generating its own version for the code which we have asked it to generate. Alright, so the response is generated and here is the tic-tac-toe game version provided by Gemini 1.5 Pro. Here is the version provided by the Llama 370B model and here is the version for the GPT 3.5 and Claude 3 Haiku. So you can always go ahead and compare the three codes which are provided by the three different models, and whichever you find the best, you can use it wherever you need. So overall, it is an amazing tool because it provides you the ability to use multiple different large language models inside of the same chat without having to jump between different websites and without having to copy and paste one chat from one website to another. And all of this is taking place within the same context inside the same window, which is a real big game changer. And the best part is that it provides you a whole bunch of free LLMs which you can use. And if you want to use the paid model, you can always go ahead and upgrade your subscription according to your needs. So I highly encourage all of you to try it out for yourself and run multiple large language models at once inside the same window in a single chat. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.